Importance of leisure. Leisure means free time when someone is not engaging in any work. This can be defined in many ways. Spending leisure effectively is very essential. The ways of spending leisure time is different from person to person. Some people use their leisure to learn something new. However, leisure time must be managed properly for getting the maximum use of it. Reading, watching television, writing stories, composing songs, collecting stamps, playing various games, home gardening are some of the examples for useful leisure time activities. Leisure is very important, and getting the best use of it is also more important.